All right, welcome back to the channel where, well, we unbox things and give you the unboxing experience, and hopefully you enjoy this kind of stuff. We have a bunch of products and gear to unbox, and this one is the Hollyland VenusLiv Air 4K streaming camera. So we have unboxed the VenusLiv V2 before, but this is the stripped down version of that. So here it is. It does come like wrapped in cellophane, but I don't, or like the shrink wrap or whatever, and I don't typically put that on. Pull that off right there. Okay, here we go. Hollyland. They have some great products here. Some stuff in there. Come back to, and some stuff in here. I always like to pull everything out. I like to do it that way sometimes, just because then you don't forget something, to make sure that there's nothing. I don't think there's anything in here, but you never know. So here is the camera itself. Save the best for first. Oh wow, look at the lens on this thing. Okay. So these are great for streaming cameras. If you do a lot of streaming. Oh, got a nice screen back here. Wow, this is really nice. All right, pull this off. So you got a swivel screen. Does it swivel around? Just up, out and down. Quarter thread on the bottom there, quarter thread over there. So if you want to do vertical streaming, and here is your lens. Looks like it should zoom. It's a 7mm f1.05. Doesn't come off. No, it does not. Okay, I thought maybe it was interchangeable. Who knows? You have UVC here. You have a USB mic, which you can put podcast like mics into, and then you have an auxiliary mic input for like wireless mics, HDMI out, Ethernet, so you can direct stream. I'm assuming it has Wi-Fi on there. You have your DC 12 volts as well, and then power button and a record button at the top. Looks like your standard SD card to record on. Very nice. This thing's really cool. Can't wait to see what the picture's like on this specific video. We don't like do all of that necessarily. Sometimes we do, but I'll do a live stream really testing it out on the same channel, and just, you know, hit that subscribe button and you'll get alerted to the fact. So it has the 12 volt power, and I like that you can lock it on there as well, so it won't like accidentally pull off. And then in here we have, looks like a little manual and a UVC cord, so you can plug it into your computer to use as like a webcam. Nice little cable ties as well. And that's basically it. Now it's like a plastic, but not like a cheap plastic. But also I like that because it's light. It's not as heavy. Like it's got some weight to it, but it's not like a heavy-duty camera. You got fans on here, and yeah, it probably won't overheat. You could probably stream for a while. It's got like little threads on here too, so you could probably put ND filters. I feel like this would turn. See how there's these lines here? There we go. Hollyland. It has on the screen here UVC streaming, RTMP streaming, or just shooting if you want to shoot video. So we'll just say shoot, but there's no SD card in there, so I have to put one in. UVC streaming. Yeah, it kind of gives you everything you need to do that. You have, yeah, definitely the light version. You can add some pro settings on here. Save them. Good touchscreen. We can get up to 4K streaming. I think 60 frames per 30 frames per second. Okay. And yeah, looks really nice. Anyway, so just wanted to show you the unboxing experience and just maybe like a little startup on that one. Looks really good. Stay tuned for like a live stream where we're testing this all out, and maybe even streaming in 4K so you can see it that way. Thanks again for watching, and the unboxing experience of the Hollyland VenusLiv Air. Thanks.